let me show you why I think AutoGPT will soon be subsumed by OpenAI. So now I recently just got access to all of OpenAI's plugins and alpha releases, and one of them is web browsing with GPT-4. So let's take an example. I'm going to put in a query to help me find or build an itinerary for my trip currently that I'm in Istanbul, Turkey. So I put in a query to help me find some of the best things to do and places to eat in Istanbul. I've asked it to give me a table. If I send that query, you can see it starts to immediately open up the plugin, starts to browse, think, and take the next action. Not that dissimilar from what you saw in AutoGPT or the web version of an agent AGI or agent GPT. So this will take about 1 to 2 minutes where it just goes through and looks up all of the different links. Last time I ran this, it clicked through TripAdvisor and a few other links and created a full itinerary. Let me show you what the results look like. I've run this query before. Let me switch over to that window. So here again, just showing you how I clicked on TripAdvisor a few times and a few other links. Some of it couldn't read, but then it finished browsing and then started to build out a full itinerary. It included breakfast, morning activity, and then lunch, afternoon activity. Then it stopped, and I asked it to continue, and it continued to build a table with all kinds of details. Continued to day 2. And then once I was done, I asked it to put it into a single table where it would be pretty easy for me to go read. And now you can see it just came up with a full itinerary for the 2 days that I'll be there, with places recommendations for breakfast, morning activities, lunch, afternoon activities, dinner. What's interesting is that I could have given it even more specific instructions about my own preferences, and I think that would have made it really cool. So here's an example of what I would have traditionally asked AutoGPT to try to do, but now it seems like OpenAI's plugin with the web browsing kind of does that